Hi, it took me more than a month to come up with this video. I made $62, which is about 52 euros in 30 days with the app I'm going to show you shortly. If you are new to this channel is all about making money online, and I only share working and legit ways of making money online, of which I myself has tried and proved. This is why I waited for a month to share this opportunity, to try out the app, and see if it will work for me, and then share to you guys after it works, so that you don't get to waste time on things that never work. I will as well show you proof, so watch this video till the end. So without wasting any of your precious time, let's get started now. So what is this app I'm talking about? How did I earn the money? How did I get paid? How much can I earn per day? And is it available worldwide? Well, before I answer these questions, I would like you support me by liking this video, so that more people can get to watch this video and make money. If you would like to continue receiving legit, tried and proved online money making opportunities, then go on and click on subscribe, and click on the bell icon, then click on all notifications. To answer the first question, the name of the app is Toloka by Yandex. You can search for Toloka on Google Play Store and install. Coming to the second question, how did I earn the money? Well, after installing the app, you will need to create an account, of course. So how does Toloka work, or how do you earn money? Toloka is an app for earning money online without any investments. Choose tasks, complete them online or offline, when it's convenient for you, and get rewarded. Toloka is a way to make real money. You'll just need to put in a little effort to deliver good quality and complete enough tasks to make it worthwhile. If you take a lot of walks in your free time, or on your way to work, Toloka has field tasks where you find organizations, and add information about them, like photos, entrances to buildings, and business hours. If you prefer to earn money at home, you can check if websites match search terms, or if the site descriptions are accurate. You can watch videos and mark the ones that your smartphone can't play, or evaluate the usefulness of Yandex search results. In Toloka, you can do multiple tasks at the same time. HOW to withdraw money. Earnings are calculated in dollars, and you can withdraw funds in your local currency using PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill. Self-employed citizens of Russia can use UMoney, and Turkish users can withdraw to Papar. To answer the fourth question, how much can you earn per day? Well, there is no limit on how much you can earn per day. This depends on how fast you can do the tasks, how long you can do the tasks, availability of tasks, rewards per task, and your location. Is it available worldwide? Yes, it is. I myself am from Zambia in Africa, and it fully works. If it is not there in Play Store in your country, please let me know by commenting. Time for proof now. I received my first payment from Toloka on 31 March 2021 as shown below under the name Yandex Services AG of 52.10 euros. So I am now going to withdraw these earnings from Skrill to my bank account right away. So to conclude, my name is Keith and this is not my voice, but I hope the video was clear as possible. I have a lot of money making opportunities on this YouTube channel, all links are in the description. So like this video, if you have not yet done that, and subscribe for more legit, tried and proved money making videos. Don't forget to share this video to help other people. See you in the next video and happy new month.